Hello, let's solve this problem under standard form. The question says express the product of 0.06 and 0.09 in standard form. So what do? We will first of all multiply this and this and then write it in standard form. So let's write our solution. We have 0.06 times 0.09. The simple way of multiplying decimals is to remove the point and multiply out. After multiplying, we put back our decimal places. So here we have 6 times 9 will give us 54. This is what we got after multiplying 6 and 9. Then we put back our decimal places. Remember, we have two decimal places here. That's 1, 2. We also have 1, 2, which is we have 2 here, we have 2, which is total of 4 decimal places. So how do we convert this 54? How do we write it? How do we put back our decimal places in this? Because we have 4, so we count from our right hand side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the fourth one before we put point. So here we have this becomes 0.0054. So this is what we got after multiplying 0.06 and 0.09. Now what we are going to do here is to write this in standard form, because the question says we should write it in standard form. So what do? What we do is we keep on moving until we get a number that has value. We keep on moving. There's no value here, there's no value here. So this is where we have a number which is 5. So we put our point and we have 5.4 times 10 raised to the power of. How many places did we move before we get to a number? 1, 2, 3. We moved 3 places. Then because this is decimal, our power will have negative sign. So we have raised to the power of -3. So the answer now is 5.4 times 10 raised to the power of -3. That's the answer. Hope you enjoyed it.